Hi everyone. Today let's take a look at the small caps as well as all the way through the monthly charts as we did get that monthly close this week. Do me a quick favor and like and subscribe and watch the video till the end to help out the channel, and let's get started. So looking at the small caps here, a big moment for small caps. We've been saying it for a while. I think small caps are the best opportunity in markets. They're undervalued historically, especially relative to their mega cap peers. But let's take a look at why they think so. They're pointing to things like interest rates continuing to come down, favorable policies in terms of things like regulation, as well as the growing economy. So pretty much the conditions are set for small caps to be the top performer. Inflation pressures have continued to weaken here, which has allowed the interest rates to come down, but we should see that continue to come down and interest rates continue to come down. The other thing they are pointing here to is investor optimism. We are seeing the Russell surge post-election, and we have been talking about it. It's been a very good week. We'll take a look at those charts later. But overall, small caps generally are more centered on the domestic market, less exposure to international trade, as well as currency fluctuations, and they shouldn't be nearly as affected by the trade war or potential trade restrictions in and outside of the United States. We're also looking at some potential tax changes that could help benefit these small cap firms, allowing the US economy to do a little better, and that's the kind of environment where we see small caps outperforming. Talked about regulation. The Trump administration is supposed to be a little bit more relaxed on regulation, taking out some of these regulations, allowing business to prosper a little bit more. Obviously, there are secondary and tertiary effects of those kinds of regulations being loosened, but from the business perspective, fewer rules means fewer costs, and fewer costs means these companies should be a little bit less burdened. They should have more capital to reinvest and facilitate that kind of growth. Faster approvals process leads towards a competitive edge as well as speeding of revenue generation. And third, this could give them a advantage when it comes to capital markets, deregulation there, lower hurdles for getting capital into their business, allowing them to scale more effectively. And finally, that generates more flexibility in their operating environment, again, allowing them to be more nimble and enhancing their overall competitiveness. Interest rates, we talked about it. Lower interest rates generally leads to higher price to earnings ratios, especially on the small cap side. And then they point to consumer sentiment. Consumer sentiment has been trending a little bit higher, and you can see the Russell has been trending with it. Did see a little bit of a pullback here. This chart goes through mid 24, but we do expect this to kind of turn up into the Black Friday consumer spending holiday time period, and the Russell has been going in that direction. We expect the consumer sentiment to go that way, and so far there has been quite a bit of optimism around the new administration, new policies, which has been good for the small cap stocks. So small caps seem to be the place to be, at least for now. Let me know down in the comment section what you think of small caps. Are you buying them? Are you trading them? Are they the place to be over the medium term? Or are you still buying Mag 7, mega cap style stocks? Let me know. It's probably not one or the other. Otherwise, like and subscribe if you got any value out of this video. Make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Of course, none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes. Good luck in your trading and have a great day.